In this video, you're going to learn how to set up an automatic invoice HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry Knoll. In this particular video, I'm going to answer this question for you by answering the following three questions. Number one, how to set up an invoice in HighLevel. Number two, how to set up a workflow to automatically send out invoices. And finally, number three, how to set up a workflow to automatically send out an estimate only. So we're going to hop out of here and hop into my demo account here inside of HighLevel. And we're on our dashboard. The first thing you want to do is go to payments, and you want to go to integrations, and then you want to connect to one of these payment integrations if you haven't done so yet. Stripe, PayPal, Authorized Net, NMI, or you can search for more. Typically, primarily, you'll want to connect to Stripe, so I'm going to connect to my Stripe account in this account just so we can do this demonstration. So if you haven't connected Stripe yet, this is what's going to happen. It's going to ask you for an email address if you have one already established with Stripe. If you don't, you'll have to get that created. But if you already have a Stripe account, you can just log in and then connect your account. So I'm going to log in. I'm just going to connect to any old account here just for demonstration purposes. In fact, I will probably pick this one here anyway. So we'll connect to it, and then it's going to take me back to HighLevel, and I should be connected, which I am, and it's already in live mode, which is great. Test mode is also there, and I can disconnect it if I want to. So now I can go over to invoices, and I can click on templates. From there, you want to click on new template, and now inside this new template, we can do things like we can add our business logo here. Of course, it brings in our account name, phone number, address, etc. And this is a placeholder text here for build to. This would be the contact that this invoice would be sent to. And then the only other thing you need to really do on this particular template is add an item. So you add an item. If you have products already created, you can select it from the drop down. If you don't, click new item, and then you want to give it a project name or product name. So if this is going to be a project or some sort of job that you want to give an estimate to, you would give it the job name, right? So we'll just call it job name for right now. And then the product type would probably be a service if you're doing a job or a project. And then the price name could be, it could be estimate or whatever you want to give it. And then the price of that estimate, let's just say it's $2,000. Okay. And then we can click save, and this is going to create a product inside of our Stripe account for this particular item. So we'll click save and see what happens. There it is. So job name, I put, remember, as the generic name, and then $2,000. All right, so this is just more or less, this would be an estimate. And then you could write something in here like, do not pay. This is just an estimate for job name or whatever. You could do that if you want to, and then you can give it a template name. So this could be estimate for job name, labeled after the actual job. Then we'll click save. So now I've created this template as an invoice, and really it's just an estimate. That's what we're sending them. And then what we can do is we can go into our automation. And from here, we can create an automation, a workflow. So we can create one from scratch. And we can trigger this by adding a tag if we wanted to. So we could say, let's add contact tag. And then we'll say tag added. And we'll give it a tag name. So in this case, it might be estimate. We'll use the same tag, estimate for job name. So the same as the actual name of the template. All right, that way if we add that tag manually to a contact, it'll execute this workflow. However, you may want to launch this workflow another way down the road. So we'll just do this for now. Move myself out of the way. We'll save that trigger. Then what we can do here is we can type in invoice. So we'll send invoice. And then we can send it from our user, whoever it is, myself, or in this case, I'll pick John Doe. Invoice template is estimate for job name, and then payment mode is live, and we'll save it. Then we can give this workflow a name. This could be estimate for job name. It could all be named the same, so it's easy to figure out what it is. Then we just publish it and then save it. So right now, the only way, not the only way, but the primary way somebody can enter this workflow is by adding a tag to a contact that we determine we want to send this invoice to, or this estimate to, right? And so that's how it's done here, but we could do way more cool functionality with other triggers, or we could have another workflow end up adding a contact to this workflow at a certain point in the other workflow, etc., to send out this invoice. But it's best practice just to keep each one of these workflows as simple as possible. That way it's easier to debug later on if something's not working as you intend it to work. So like I said, once we add this particular tag, estimate for job name, to a contact, this workflow would be kicked off and that contact would be sent in here and then been sent this particular invoice, which is estimate for job name. And then that estimate that we created in the template, their contact details would be filled in and it would be sent off to that particular contact. So that's how you could do it through using invoicing. Another option, right, to do something similar, but do it where it's more standard and it's just sent through an email or SMS text, is you create a workflow from scratch. And again, you could put people into this workflow the same exact way through a trigger, right? So we could say contact tag, and then we could select tag added and create a tag. And the tag could be the same type of tag. We use the same exact tag. However, it'll also execute the last one, so we might want to change it for that reason. But it doesn't. If you would be doing it this way, you're probably not doing it that way, so that one tag wouldn't probably be firing off two different workflows anyhow. But what we'll do is we'll just give it a different name and we'll just call it estimate only, and then add tag. And then what we would do here is we would actually send an email. So we'll type email, send email, and then the email will come from your name, and it'll come from your email address at yourdomainname.com. And then the subject would be, you know, estimate or whatever you want it to be. And then in here, I like to make things nice and big. I would probably put, hey, contact first underscore name. If you don't know how to use these tags yet, don't worry about it. I know them pretty well, but if you aren't sure, you can go to custom values, contact, and then insert first name. That's how we got this tag. And then we could, of course, continue on with our message here, like, you know, here is the estimate I promised for the project we were talking about. It will be approximately $2,000. Please let me know if you have any questions. Talk soon. Your name. All right, so you're just sending basically an email only with the estimate in it. I mean, that's a real basic way of setting up an automated way to send out an email with an estimate, as long as that estimate would be exactly the same for each and every contact you put through here. Again, this is just a second way of doing it, so this would just be estimate via email only or something like that. Just some way to distinguish the difference between the two workflows, right? Of course, you would want to publish it and then save it if you're going to use it. So that's how I would do it. But I like using the invoicing better because it's a little more professional and proper. And, you know, if you want to, you can have them even pay for the estimate or invoice when they receive it in order to start the job, or, you know, you can have it set up so it's only asking them to pay, you know, 50% up front and 50% upon completion, etc. However you want to work that all out is totally up to you, but I just want to show you quickly and easily how to basically integrate a payment method, set up an invoice that's a template, then how to add it to a workflow so that you can automatically send it out to any of the contacts that you want to based on adding a specific tag as the trigger to execute the workflow and send the invoice. So I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in and watching this video. If you have any questions regarding what I just went through, please let me know by leaving me a comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered. and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.